Hello, good evening, friends. It's time for us to have fun and enjoyment in our lives. We have had strong emotions, both of love and hate, and the magic with us is growing stronger. We must use it wisely. Now is our lucky time, and we are getting stronger within every single day. We've had temporary situations, but there's changes coming into our life and we have had thoughts of clinical nature of life. That's life, death, and rebirth. We have the need for spiritual growth. We're shedding old habits, and we are doing the deep healing necessary. They say that we're putting behind us the past and we're embracing the new. We are trusting the divine now. You will be taken care of in difficult times and you will successfully overcome problems. And Spirit says lots of baby steps will make big dreams come true. Something will crop up unexpectedly just when you think things are going okay. But freedom is yours. You choose how you want to deal with things as they come your way. You have a new attitude and do not back down from opposition. Show your strength and fortitude. Your guardian spirit watches over you and they want you to feel their presence. They were with you when you were trying out different things and they want you to know there is light at the end of the tunnel. They want you to learn from the past. You will be playing a different role and they say you're overcoming spiritual and physical limitations. You embody beauty and grace. And that comes from your experiences from the past. You're rising above worldly problems and gaining a higher perspective. You took a major leap of faith, and it's time now for a deep dive. They say you've developed spiritually and you have a better understanding now, and they say you have the ability to connect to the beings of love that surround you, communicate with your angels and deliver their healing messages to others. They bring you the stability that you need in your life. You are never alone. And the loved ones say you must focus on the here and now. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.